Hello there. Today is Wednesday, May the 12th, nearly 9 o'clock. We've still got a little bit of daylight out, so I thought I'd do an update of how everything's going in the greenhouse and outside. We've got all sorts here. We've got cucumbers, I've got some broccoli there, I've got some cauliflower, there's some peppers over there, the Brussels obviously here, even got some flowers, some nasturtiums starting there. Obviously more of everything underneath still, in the lower tray there. Various bits and bats. I've still got my grapevine and a few other. I think these are more cauliflowers here in this one. I now know what I need to do with my blueberry bush to help get plenty of blueberries. I was watching Monty Don this morning and he's given me some advice. Our stick in the mud is now really gone quite massive here. This is our goji berry, come along quite nicely. I've got little yellow flowers on our tomatoes. There we go. Early signs of tomatoing here. So I've got 1, 2, 3, 4. As I say, we've got some more flowers there and here. And the two straggly looking ones were in the same pot. I need to repot those. There's actually looks like a bit of life coming back to that, so they're recovering quite nicely. So I'm pleased with that. So I'll need to sort out my tomatoes in the next few days. Let's have a wander outside. Potatoes. I've been topping up the bags, so there's quite a lot in the big bags here. So that one's going to be bursting with things, hopefully. There. They've been on the go the longest. The ones at the front need some soil to top up there. They've been on the go a month less. But they're looking okay. Behind the chair, wood henge, left over our larch tree. And we put there like that. And we've got various flowers over there. Violas in particular are doing quite well at the moment. And then let's have a look at our raised bed. Yes, I know I planted too many carrot seeds. They're too close together. As we get little carrots, I will thin them out a bit though, because they are really barreling along. We've obviously got our garlic, carrots, onions. Spring onions are in there somewhere. This first sign of life, I think, for leeks are in there. Here, I've got some netting over everything. I'm trying the first of the Brussels here. The parsnips are beginning to grow quite nicely. The disappointment is, though, look at these straggly sweet corn. I planted them out, and then we had a surprising bit of frost, and I hadn't looked after them. And I think all bar one, maybe that one might recover, the middle one, but the rest look as if they've had it, to be honest. Right, the lower bed. We'll start with the far side. Somewhere or other, I've got some kohlrabi. Don't really know what it is, but I'm curious. In there. Obviously garlic. I don't think I've got anything in the middle yet. The spinach, look at the spinach, is really barreling along. I've got some marigold flowers here. I've got some lettuce which has been absolutely dwarfed by, just have a look at, if I do it this way around, that's our radishes there, and I've got peas the other side of it on the netting here. Look at the size of this lot here. So if I try and just ease some back here and see what we can see. So for example, in there, you can just about make out, can you? There, the tops of the radishes, the redness here, like that. So there's radishes in there, and all I've got to do is sort of loose them out. I mean, I've got there, look at that there. So that's a good size pear there. And so we've got plenty of them, and just whenever I want, I've got to pick them. And to be honest, I need to start picking them soon because they're absolutely dwarfing the peas that are in the background here. So I need to do something about that. And also the lettuce that's here. Well, the lettuce is looking good. So that's all pretty good at the moment. As I say, the radishes, we've had radishes, they've been very nice. But I think I need to start doing a bit more of a harvest of them so that everything else can, can grow instead. So apart from our sweet corn, which is a bit disappointing, everything else is really going on quite nicely. Okay, I will say bye-bye. Bye now.